Hi, hello, welcome to Knowledge Center. Before starting this video, I just want to clarify one thing here that this video is made to share a knowledge among you guys. Based on this video, I am not proposing any buying or selling of any of the shares in a share market. It's left to you. You just analyze this information and make a decision wisely. So now let us begin this video. I am going to talk about Adani Power Limited. Yes, I have taken this because today at 2 o'clock there was a news regarding this Adani Power, that is the quarter 2 results were out of this company. So because of that result, immediately at 2 o'clock there was a hike in a share price. It has reached 382 today, and at the end it is closed at 373 rupees. So it's really a good move for this share. Now let's see what has happened for the quarter results. So directly we'll jump to the quarter results here. Let us see the sales. Here you can see on September 2022 the sale was 7044, whereas in the September 2023 the sale is 12991, that is 12991. It is a huge improvement in a sales of this company. Really, there was a lot of issues in the world, that is the global issues, like there was a war, there is a hike in the oil, that is Brent oil. Even though the sales of this company has been increased very huge, this is a huge number. And even you can compare this within a previous quarter, that is previous quarter June 2023, the sale was 11,000, and whereas now it is increased to 12,991. If you compare year on year, the hike is very huge, 7,000 to 12,991, almost 13,000. So 6,000 shares sales has been increased. This is a good news for Adani Power. But one thing you need to observe here, the expenses. Definitely, as the company develops, there is a chances of increasing the expenses of the company. In the previous year, September 2022, the expenses were 6,096, whereas now it is 7,819. So this is not a huge bad impact for the company. Definitely, the expenses will rise, but we have to concentrate on the operating profit. So look at this operating profit. You will definitely be stunned by looking into this news. Operating profit in the year September 2022 is 948, whereas now it is 5171. A huge hike in the operating profit. Definitely this news will give a good strength to the company, and the share price will definitely going to move high. So you have to make a decision wisely. I'm not proposing to buy this. Keep that point in mind. Okay. So you can also compare this result with the previous quarter. Previous quarter in the June 2023, it was 3514, whereas now it is 5171. So quarter on quarter also there is a hike, whereas year on year there is a huge hike, almost 848% of hike we have here. Now, one more important thing we need to compare, that is OPM, that is operating profit margin. So look at this here. You will definitely be happy by looking into this if you have the share of Adani Power. See, in the year 2022, the operating profit margin is 13%, whereas now it is raised to 40%. So there is a huge improvement in the profit of a company. The margin of the profit is increased almost to a 27%, that is 13 to 40%, whereas this is a year on year news. Whereas quarter on quarter, if you compare the previous quarter, it is 32%, it was 32%, now it is 40%. So 8% of increase in a year quarter on quarter profit. So this news is very good for Adani Power. So definitely, based on this news, you can make a decision, and this is going to have a positive impact on this share. If you don't have any bad news regarding the global issues, definitely this is going to move in a very rapid way. Now let's see some investment ratios here. I just want to share this news with you guys, because the investors who have invested in this company, we need to know the ratios before making any investment in the company. So the promoters of the company percentage is of 70%, whereas in the previous year September 2022 it was 74.97, almost 75%, but now it is reduced to 70%. Okay, so this is, you can't take it as a negative news, because when the promoters have reduced the shares, it means someone has purchased, and who has purchased it, that is important. You can look at the FIEs, foreign investors. In previous year it was 13.23, whereas now it is raised to 17.51%, almost 4%, more than 4% hike you can see in FIIs. And also you can see one more important news, that is about DIIs, that is domestic investors. In the September 2022 it was 0%, it was 0%, but now it is raised to 0.76%. So it means that domestic investors have also shown interest in this company, and you need to understand that these domestic investors and foreign investors, they always concentrate on the companies which will do good in future. So they will plan for a long term, not for a short term. So I can say that if you are looking for a long term investment, then this company will be a better option for you. This is just my opinion. You have to look into the further details for making a decision on this. So I hope you got a better information regarding the Adani Power, and you make a wise decision and make a profit. Have a nice day. Thank you.